UsborneBookBarn.com. Hey, this is Melody with UsborneBookBarn.com, and I'd like to share with you our great science book. It's called What's Science All About? This is actually a combined volume, meaning there are 3 different books in this one book. So it's cheaper to buy this one book than it is all 3 separately. Anyway, it's $15.99. That's almost 300 pages, and it's got this Flexi Binding. It's like in between hardback and paperback. It's really nice. I love Flexi Binding. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what's inside. So the 3 books are What's Biology All About, What's Chemistry All About, and What's Physics All About. So they're very readable. They're engaging. Look at this. That is so cool. I've learned a lot from this book, so I really like it. And that's biology. So what's life? Okay, look there. A lot of fun to read. Oh, look at that. So cool. Okay, and it goes through all the different kingdoms in biology. You've got cells. Okay, now, that's so cool. I love it. Okay, so I'm always concerned in science books, what does it say about reproduction, right? So I want to show you just so you know. Okay, part 2, how do human bodies work? It's all great information, fun to look at, fun to read. Okay, so here's the part. And that's so, you have to get this book. It's just so interesting. Okay, so this is the part, let's see, about, okay, reproduction right there. It does show that. It shows this. I have 2 girls, so I have this page taped because I'm not ready yet for that. And it does talk about sex. Okay, it does. It says, okay, basic baby ingredients, Okay, they join through sex. When a man and a woman have sex, the man pushes his penis into the woman's vagina. Muscle movements force millions of sperm out through his urethra into the woman's body. Okay, that's too much for me. Remember, my girls are like 7 and 6. So you can see I've got, I've taped, I just taped this page to the other page. No big deal. Okay, so that's what I do. If it's too much for you, don't get it. So do whatever you're comfortable with for your family. Okay, so that's biology, and then we'll get to a bunch of plant stuff. So good. Parts of a flower, CC people, classical conversations folks. So how did life begin? Okay, we do have the millions and millions of years ago. Again, this doesn't bother me as a Christian. I believe the earth is not that old. So, and I've taught my daughters that too. So this is just a teachable moment for them. This is what the world believes. And, that's just not what we believe. It's not a big deal to us. If it is to you, don't get it. You always need to do what's right for your family, and you will. Okay, so again, we talk about this. Okay, you want to make sure that you know that's in there. What about humans? Do you need to know that's in there too? Okay, evolution, all that stuff. But again, for us, we just take out the part we don't agree with, and the rest is so good. It's so good. Okay, and then, I can just go on and on. All right, so this part's about chemistry. I love the illustrations. What's an atom? I could go on and on. What's what? So good. Okay, all this stuff. And then, I'll show you the periodic tables in here. It even has some little experiments to do yourself, which is really cool. Acids and bases. Really great. If you do classical conversations, it's a homeschool. It's not a co-op. Everyone knows that. But it's I don't know how to describe it. Anyway, it's a really great thing if you homeschool. But lots of stuff in here go with the classical conversation stuff. Okay, we've got metals, chemical unit. Okay, I could go on and on. Okay, this is about chemistry. Some more about chemistry. Okay, and then I'll show you some of physics. Okay, here's some physics stuff. Okay, speed and motion. Really great. Energy everywhere. Okay, and then at the very end, you do have, look at that. I wish I had this book when I was in high school or junior high, or college. Okay, so we got volts, electric currents. Okay, and now I'll just show you how to make a magnet, lost in space. It talks about space. Got space in there. Okay. Oh, that's so, okay. See. So cool. Man, this video is getting long. Sorry, y'all. At the very back, you do have a really great glossary. You can look up the words. And this is internet linked, which means, let's see, I'll show you right there. Which means you can go to usborne-quicklinks.com, type in the name of this book, and a list of safe recommended websites that expound on these pages will show up. So it's really great just for extra digging into things. So I love it. It's $15.99. Such a great buy. 3 books. What's biology all about? What's chemistry all about? What's physics all about? So you could buy them separately, or you could buy this one great book all in one place. Harder to lose. So you can get your copy at usbornebookbarn.com. Thanks.